Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing the recipe of my mom's favorite childhood snack Mandazi. In a bowl add 1.5 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, half teaspoon of salt. Mix. In another bowl add 3/4 cup of coconut milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, half tablespoon of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast. Mix. Pour the yeast mixture in a bowl. Add the dry ingredients gradually and stir. Knead it to form a dough. Sprinkle flour on the work surface and knead the dough. Bring the edges of the dough towards the center and tuck it in to form a ball. Grease a bowl with oil and place the dough in it. Apply little oil on the dough. Apply little oil on the dough. Cover the bowl with a plate and let it rest for 45 minutes. Divide the dough into 4 equal portions. Shape the portions into round balls. On a baking tray, place parchment paper. Place parchment paper on a baking tray, sprinkle flour on it, place the dough balls on it, and cover and let it rest for 20 minutes. Sprinkle flour on the work surface, roll the dough balls, cut into 4 parts. Follow the same steps to make rest of the mandazis. Cover and let it rest for 15 minutes. Heat oil in a pan. Deep fry the mandazis. Once it starts puffing up, flip the mandazis to fry the other side. Fry the mandazis in batches. Mandazis are now ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.